Poštovani gledalci, nalazimo se na terenu Golf kluba Beograd na Adi Ciganliji, gde je u toku druga runda 14. po redu otvorenog prvenstva Srbije u golfu, gde je nakon prve odigrane runde je u vođstvu Italijan Alessandro Marsala sa 70 odigranih udaraca. Prati ga Mihajlo Dimitrijević sa odigranih 71 udarcem, dok su na deobi treće pozicije nakon prvog dana završili Branimir Gudelj i Belgijanac Christian Kunel. Takođe dobro su igrali i predstavnici Srbije, Ilija Đurđević sa 73 odigrana udarca, kao i Čedomir Ilić sa 74 odigrana udarca. Vremenski uslovi danas, za razliku od jučerašnjeg dana, nešto lošiji. Vidjet ćemo da li će to uticati na konačan ishod, na rezultat. Ono što je sigurno da ćemo gledati fantastičan golf tokom današnjeg dana i naravno sutrašnjoj finalnoj rundi. I iskoristio bih ovu priliku da pozovem sve gledalce da dođu i posete Adu Ciganliju i odgledaju definitivno najbolji golf u ovom delu Evrope.
Vreme nas nije baš poslužila, ja sam igrao loše.
Šta znači to loše za tebe, reci mi?
Šta znači loše? Pa imao sam 8 udaraca na 8. rupi i u prvom i u drugom krugu, mislim i prvi i drugi dan. Imao sam...
To je rupa par 5, je li tako?
Par 5, da, i tu sad mene očekuje par ili birdie. Na 9. sam imao 7 udaraca, triple bogey.
Dakle, možeš da kažeš da su te dve rupe koštale dosta udaraca, tako?
Jes, da, dosta.
Kaže mi, utisci u flightu, grupa kakva ti je?
Grupa, pa bilo je dobro. Brzo smo igrali, bila je lepa atmosfera.
Je li bilo nekih internacionalnih igrača kod tebe u grupi?
Jeste, da.
Sa kim si igrao?
Bio je momak iz Kazahstana, Srbin jedan i jedan Hrvat.
Dobro, u redu. Reci nam još tvoje očekivanja za sutra.
Očekivanja za sutra? Pa bolje nego danas i juče.
Da, dakle, želećeš da ponoviš, zapravo da odigraš još bolje nego ovih dana.
Pa teško ću lošije.
Danas sam uspeo da kontrolišem svoju igru. Poslužila me malo i sreća, patovanje je mnogo bolje nego juče, to je sigurno. Ritam igre je bio odličan, bilo super druženje u flightu.
Reci mi, je li imalo nekih problema juče kada je u pitanju brzine igre, da li ste možda igrali nešto sporije?
Pa bilo je par zastoja, ali...
To zna da uspori igru, je li tako, i da te poremeti u ritmu?
Naravno.
Danas je dakle bilo bolje patovanje dosta, je li tako?
Mnogo bolje.
Mnogo bolje očekivanja za sutra, za poslednju rundu?
Pa sigurno se nadam najboljem rezultatu do sada.
Pa šta reći, mislim, dosta puta sam igrao ovaj teren, tako da nije bilo nekih prevelikih iznenađenja. Bilo je dobro, pravio sam neke ključne greške što pokazuje ovaj rezultat. Danas je bilo bolje. Ispravio sam ono što sam juče pogrešio, bio puno udaraca sam izbacio juče u aut. Danas isto to bio slučaj, ali našao sam neki način da to zaobiđem. Tako da nije bilo nekih specijalnih utisaka, samo sve staro.
Da, od tebe smo navikli na dosta bolje igre, istina, pa sam baš hteo da pitam šta je bio razlog tih tvojih nešto loših igre, dakle par udaraca u aut i eto odmah tako nešto loši rezultat.
Znate kako, kada imate dosta udaraca u aut, koliko god da ste imali parova preko igre, onda dosta imate i double bogije koji dižu rezultat i onda rezultat dolazi van kontrol. Ja sam dosta dobro igrao što se tiče statistike van rezultata. Stvarno dobro sam udarao loptu, ali dosta sam udaraca izbacio u aut i onda je to činilo da rezultat nekontrolisano ide gore.
Da, ipak je to stroke igra, tako da ako bude puno greška.
Inače bi se to u Stableford skoro ne bi se videlo, ali tako igramo ovde i to je tako.
Ok, Luka, tvoje očekivanja za sutrašnju finalnu rundu?
Pa da zaobiđemo u svakom slučaju te aute koji su me koštali dosta udaraca i imam neki svoj plan u glavi, u stvari šta trebam da uradim da bi dobio neki kvalitetan rezultat na ovom terenu.
Pa utisci su dobri, moja igra nije bila tako dobra, ali teren je u dobrom stanju i zahvalio bih se svima koji su radili na održavanju ovog terena, jer danas po ovim uvjetima, ovoj kiši i pljusku koji je bio na prvih 9 rupa, teren je i dalje izdržao i u igrivom je stanju. I utisci su jako dobri što se tiče organizacije je uvijek na nivou kao i uvijek u Srbiji, tako dobro je.
Kakva je atmosfera bila unutar flajta?
Atmosfera je bila prijateljska, odasve svi smo svakoga podupirali, davali smo si nekakve savjete, ali bilo je savršeno stvarno za igru i bio je ugodna atmosfera.
Komentariš i tvoju igru ovih dana?
Moja igra prvi dan i drugi dan je dva sasvim različita svijeta. Prvi dan je bilo jako loše, a drugi dan je bilo bolje. Da nije bilo pljuska na prvih 9 možda bi bilo i bolje, ali ovako je okej.
Ok, i očekivanja za sutra?
Pa očekivanja uživati u rundi koja je ostala i to je to. Nema ništa više.
It's a tough little golf course. Begins with a tough little par 4, and then number 9 is also a very difficult one. There's a lot of birdies available out there, also a lot of mistakes, and just enjoying every moment and trying to make the most out of every hole.
Tell us something about the atmosphere in your group. How was it?
Yeah, I made some good friends and good atmosphere, and I'm glad to be playing in this tournament. Yeah.
Great. You mentioned something about first and ninth hole. How difficult they are for you?
Yeah, they're quite difficult. You have to be in position, and on paper it looks really easy. But when you go out there and you have to be on the correct, position at all times, you can make a big number or even a low one if you're in position. So, it's quite tough.
Any comments for your score for today?
Yeah, I played quite well. The putting wasn't the best, but ball striking was quite good, and I got around the golf course the way I wanted to. That was important, and I think tomorrow, I can, if I make some more putts, I can be in a better position, even better than today.
Bilo je odlično, utisci su dobri. Danas sam igrao bolje nego jučer, iako je bilo vrijeme promjenjivo i lošije, puno vjetra, ali igrao sam 9. rupu pametnije i zato mi je rezultat bio bolji, ali što se tiče udaraca i svega, sve je bilo ostalo isto.
Dakle, 9. rupa je tako u stvari problematična. Da li je ona, kao i za većinu igrača, i tebi predstavljala najveći problem u ova 2 dana?
Najveći, uvjerljivo. Kad sam kretao igrat nisam imao nikakvu tremu, ništa. Onda kad odeš na 9. onda te počne lagano hvatati misli, neke negativne, ali dobro, izvukao sam danas 2 bogija za razliku od jučer, tako da je jedino to presudilo, jučer 4, danas 1.
Za sada taj jedan preko pare najbolji rezultat na prvenstvu. Vidjet ćemo da li će neko igrati bolje od tebe tokom sutrašnjeg dana. Reci nam tvoje očekivanja za sutrašnju finalnu rundu.
Za sutra očekujem bolje nego danas jer se osjećam jako dobro. Dobro mi je kratka igra što je jako bitno u golfu, tako da nadam se da će biti bolje ili isto kao danas.
So the impressions is good. The course is in good conditions, and I like but it was a little rainy, but generally it's very good. It was fantastic.
Yeah, and tell us your impressions after comparing 2 rounds, first one and second. When was better?
The first one is a little better. Second one, I struggled with my first shot, but generally, yeah, I hope my game will be better the next round.
Okay, tell us about the atmosphere in your group. Did you had some international players?
Yeah, I got some French player, we got some local player who's an amateur, and myself. So it's okay. I think we could become friends. We trying to get our balls, and it's okay.
Good. And tell us something about the golf course. Which hole is the toughest for you?
Generally the golf course in a good condition. So, but the toughest hole is number 1 for sure, and it's number 9. So it's an unbelievable hole. So if you play the number 9 par, you should be champion.
Pa bilo je malo kiše danas. Juče je vreme bilo odlično. Igrom baš i nisam zadovoljan, mnogo su bili bolji rezultati ranije, ali šta da se radi sutra, novi dan, valjda će biti bolje.
Kad kažeš ranije, misliš na prethodnu rundu jučerašnju ili ranije dok si igrao na terenu Golf kluba Beograd?
Ne, ranije tokom ove godine i prošle godine.
Serbian Open is a tournament that I really love, and from last year I had very nice experience on it. And this year, I had my birthday on the practice round. And I have to say, guys, you are awesome. You made a cake for me now. It's just incredible. That was great, yeah. And the atmosphere, the playing course is good. Got first and 9 holes, just oh god. But the rest of the course is nice. Greens are good. Bunkers are okay. And yeah, that's good, basically.
Atmosphere in your group?
It's awesome. I play with a Croatian guy, with an Italian guy, and with a Serbian guy, I think, I remember. And it was great. We have fun. Not very much the first round, but the second round we kind of knew each other better, and we had much better fun. Yeah.
Good. Your expectations for the final round?
Just don't finish last.
Don't finish last.
Yeah, I would play better than the first round, than today, and just do whatever I can best.
Well, my game was pretty good actually. I expected to be much more badly, but the shots were good, but the result wasn't. I would like to say that the first and the ninth hole are really not bad, but really difficult. Yeah, really difficult. On the fairway, trees, big, really like enormous, like buildings. You cannot go through them. What can I say? The short game is really good here and really impressive. I mean, the condition of the short game area, the bunker, the green, they are fast and good.
Any plans for you for the final round? Will you play smarter these 2 holes that you were talking about?
Yeah, I will try the first and the ninth just to play for a bogey and go on the next hole. I will forget them. Bogey is good for them.
So you think this is a good tactic for the first and the ninth hole, to play as a bogey?
Yeah, lay up and be a little bit more safer. I'll play safer.
Okay, how was the atmosphere in your group? Will you play with who today? It was Stojkovic from Serbia?
No. Yeah. Alexander from Serbia and another one guy from Croatia, but he quit on the ninth hole.
Okay, yeah. Tell us your expectations for tomorrow, for the final round.
Well, as I said, I will try to play a little bit safer and much more smarter. And I will do my best. We'll see.
Today I started really bad. The first 9 holes was so full. But then on the second 9 holes, my putting saved me a lot of shots. I think around 6 or 7 shots I saved from putting. Today I started really good, but the second 9 holes, when it stopped raining, I played really bad. I made some doubles and bogeys, but on the 9th hole I played really good. I didn't expect that because before when I played this course I made double and triple on the 9th hole. Today I made bogey and par, so it's okay.
That's a very good score for the 9th hole here, comparing the other guys.
Yeah. It's really good, and my strategy was really good. 2-4 irons and then 60 degrees to the green. So I saved many shots on this hole. So my teammate hasn't played 9 shots on this hole.
Yeah, so good. You can give him some of the advices about playing 9th hole.
Yeah.
Your expectations for tomorrow, for the last round?
I'll play more safety on some holes and I'll try to make better score.
It was good. My first day was, a little bit bad because I had some problems with where to hit it and everything. So I made some mistakes, but second day I've learned from that and I knew where to miss. And then,
sorry, did you have a chance to play a practice round?
Yeah, twice. Tuesday and Wednesday. Monday too, 3 times. But then, first 2 times were like just feeling the course. Third time I played with an Italian guy. But it was not, it was mostly my putting that I had to practice. But now, now.
About difficulty of golf course, what would you say?
It's difficult. From 1 to 10, I would give it a 9 because you have to hit it straight, and sometimes if you hit it like 5 meters left or something, you have a difficult shot next, or you're in the woods or something. But mostly the first hole and the 9th hole. That's where, especially yesterday, I played poorly on those holes, especially the 9th, because from today I knew I had to not play aggressive anymore. Like yesterday,
play as a par 5, maybe.
Yeah, and then maybe making your pitch and putt or something. But yesterday I made 2 double bogeys because I hit out of bounds 2 times, and now I played just safe. And one time I made my up and down, and second time I
yeah, I made bogey, so that's not bad on that hole.
3 over par today, one of the best rounds today. Your comments on this today game?
It's good. I like the feeling. First 9 was still struggling a bit, +3 on the first 9, and then second 9, yeah. On 2, the second and the third, I made birdie, and the fourth, the short par 4, I hit it on 1 meter next to the green, but I missed my up and down, so I made par. But the rest, yeah, I still ended bogey today, but planning to do better.
Expectations for tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm going to play better. At least I hope so.